Hello friends, our today's activity is human figure. In that we are going to learn how to draw hands and feet in different positions. So let's begin. First we'll draw a circle. Then we'll draw a line which is going from the middle of the circle. So this becomes the center. Taking support of this circle, so this is like a wrist of our hand. We'll draw the arm and the hands. This is the thumb. So we are drawing a hand in this position first. So we finished drawing the first position. Now I'll show you the second position. So whenever you're doing memory drawing and you want to show different postures of a figure with their hands down, or if they're holding something, maybe an umbrella or a bag, so you can use these poses of hands to draw the detail. Now we'll see the final one. Here also, if you want, you can draw a circle. So this acts like a wrist. We'll see it one more time. So if you are drawing something, so holding a bag or something, like this. So these are some of the postures or positions of our hands. Now we will learn how to draw feet at different positions. Again we'll draw a circle and the standing line going from the center. So this becomes our ankle. Draw a line like this. Now this line is shorter and this line is longer because here our toe is going to come. So this circle, here you will draw this curve. That's the bulge of the ankle. So this is our toe. Let's finish. So this is the position of a leg which is facing in the front. Suppose if your figure, when you're doing a memory drawing, if the figure is facing sideways, the placement of the feet is also sideways. So we'll take the help of that circle and the center line. So here we understand that this is the center and this is our ankle. So from the center we draw lines at equal distance. you will draw a triangular shape, somewhat triangular shape, which has a round curve at one point. Now here we will not draw the circle, but here we will take this curve, which is the ankle. Now this is facing towards the left. If you want to show a foot facing toward right, so this is the feet that is facing towards the right. So we have learned how to draw different positions of your hands and feet. I'm sure you will use this technique to draw a very good memory drawing.